Hi everybody, it's 10:30 and 7 seconds on June 7th. This is the main drawing for Spider-Man 299 Raw and 300 graded 9.2. Over here on the left-hand side are the 23 filled spots. I'm going to go up and I'm going to go down. Tim Soups, as explained from mini number 2, you got the first 3 available spots at the time, which were 1, 4, and 8. And Thomas who came in second in mini number 2, got spots 10, 13, and 20. Alright, so let's roll our 3 dice. Numbers 15, and away we go. I am probably not going to be able to ship this today. It's going to go out on Friday, June 8th. So good luck, everybody. Name at the top of the list gets both books. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and this is the final one, 15, spot 18, Steve Hudson. Congratulations. Time is 10:31 and 21 seconds.